G'day guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some banana nut bread. I haven't made this recipe before, but I love the banana nut bread at Starbucks, and so does a very good friend of mine. So I decided, let's try a copycat recipe. I got the recipe from myfrugaladventures.com. So the link is below in the description and you can go over and check that out. Okay, so to start we need 2 cups of flour, in a 1/4 teaspoon salt, and then a teaspoon of baking soda. So that's baking soda, not baking powder. And you just gotta mix those 3 dry ingredients together. Just give them a little mix and then set that to the side. So in other recipes I've made with banana bread, they've said to go ahead and get your egg and your sugar and everything and cream it all together. But this one's different. So you're gonna put 1 egg and then 1 1/8 cup sugar. I like to just give the egg a little mix first, kind of break it up before pouring other things in there. And then we can pour the sugar in. Oh, there's a lot of sugar. And we're also gonna add a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, just to make this really nice and moist. That is the oven. We preheat that to 325 degrees. So it's kind of gonna look not so great, but just keep mixing it so it's nice and mixed together. Okay, so when you've got that nice and mixed, you're gonna go ahead and put in your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients. What I suggest is putting just a little bit in at a time and then mixing to try to get that kind of blended really nice. And then just keep gradually adding and mixing until the whole thing is done. It is going to get kind of thick, and that's normal. You're adding all this flour into here. I guess if you wanted to, you could use a hand mixer. You know, get a little workout while you're at it. It's getting very thick. You can see it just sticking to the spoon there. Okay, so it should start to look like this. It's kind of very crumbly and not very dry, and that's okay because we're going to add a couple more ingredients and those bananas, and that's really going to moisten this up. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons. You can either use buttermilk or regular milk. I just used regular milk today. We're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, we're going to move this to the side, and we're going to get a new bowl and 3 ripe bananas. Now you want them looking like that. A lot of people will be like, oh, they're brown. That is perfect for a banana bread. My husband actually prefers to eat them this way when they're brown, because the longer the bananas sit there, the sweeter they get. Oh, that one's no good. Okay, sometimes you might get one that's not good. Don't use that one. Put it aside. So you're gonna take those bananas and you're gonna mash them with whatever kind of masher you have. You really just wanna break them up. Okay, so those are really nice and mashed. We're gonna go ahead and stir them into our mixture. Just gonna dump it all in. Okay, you'll see it's quickly getting to like a very thick cake batter consistency, and that is perfect for what you want. Just want to give it a good mix, make sure it's all incorporated. Now you can either go ahead and just put this straight into your loaf pan and bake it, or you can add in your nuts. We're gonna use walnuts. Some people use a combination of walnuts and pecans, but we're trying to do a copycat recipe, so we just wanna do the walnuts in here. And then just stir until it's all combined. Does anyone else like to eat the batter? Oh, so good. This looks amazing. Look at this. It's a wonderful, smooth consistency. It's almost like a very thick oatmeal consistency, but this is gonna taste so much better. So once that's all mixed together, I did give my pan a light spritz of oil, because I don't want the loaf sticking. Pour this into our loaf pan. I'm doing this backwards. Normally I would have the bowl facing me, but I'm trying to give you guys a visual. Woo. I can't believe that this is a really smooth consistency and we just used, you know, a wooden spoon to mix this. I'm quite impressed with the texture of the batter. I have a feeling this is gonna taste really good. Okay, so this is ready to go into our oven. Our oven is preheated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is gonna go in there anywhere from 50 to 75 minutes. So at 50 minutes, you're gonna wanna get the toothpick and check, or the cake tester, whatever you use, and just check it, and then just go from there and keep an eye on it. Let's put it in the oven. Okay, my oven took the entire 75 minutes to cook. I kept testing it with a cake tester. So it is a delicious golden brown color. Ooh, looks so good. Okay, I do find it's a little crumbly because it's literally so hot. So my suggestion would to let it sit for probably at least 10-15 minutes just to cool off a little bit. But it looks amazing. It looks so good. I think it's too hot to even try to eat right now. Ooh, ooh, I'm putting my fingers. Okay, let's taste. Well, that's good. It's not too dry. Still, it's super hot. I am burning my fingers. It's actually really quite spongy, which is great. It's light. Okay, so this is the end piece, so it's always a little bit crunchier. But you can see it's nice and fluffy and still soft, and that beautiful banana bread in the middle there. Oh, that's good. Okay guys, well let me know if you do go ahead and try this recipe, and post in the comments below, what is your favorite baked good? Like, what do you absolutely just love? Because if I get some suggestions, that's what I might cook next. Okay guys, if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a great big thumbs up. It really does help. If you're not already a subscriber, we would love to have you join the family. And to everyone who does subscribe and support this channel, thank you so much. It means the world. Love you guys. Bye.